Hello, and thank you for watching. This is Don Mazier with Mazier Enterprises. We're at the PRI Show 2023, and I'd like to introduce to you one of our new products. The problem we've identified is that cold starts are very hard on an engine, and so we wanted to provide a good solution for priming the oil system without wearing out your starter. What we've developed is a new pump. It's a gerotor pump that is our WP723, and it's 4 oil applications. And the big idea is that with a push of a button you can make sure that your engine is pre-oiled before you hit the starter. That's going to save you a lot of wear on an engine. This is mounted on one of our displays at the show here, and we have this push button that shows the oil delivery to not only the valve train but all of the rotating components, the camshaft, the crankshaft. Everything will be floating in oil before you hit the starter. That's going to save a lot of wear on your engine. We'll walk over to our other display now to take a look at how simple the application, the installation can be. And so you see the pump, and we supply a mount for the pump, and then you just have a special drain plug adapter. You can put this right in line with where your existing oil drain is, and it's the oil supply to the pump. From there, we have the pressure side going to the engine block, and you can plumb this one to any of the ports on the engine that go into the oil galley. And this pump is capable of supplying as much as 30 to 40 psi, depending on the flow, how open the passages are. From there, you really just have some wiring to do. You get 12 volts to the pump, and with a push of a button you can make everything well lubricated before starting. If you would like more information on this product, please contact us at Mazier Enterprises. Thank you for watching.